What can it be?
This is the bath net for your toys in the bathtub.
Oh,
Is that a
that's
little
gonna be so
zebra?
fun for you.
Yay! Okay, what's next? This one? Try this one? Pull it open. Oh, I see part of a puppy.
It's a puppy book.
Look at her
Oh.
expression. Wow. You want to touch this puppy? He's so soft. He's so soft. Can you see the difference? There's two puppies. One puppy, two puppies. They're playing, huh? Yeah, that's a funny feel, huh?